Hey, my name is Simo Mamdoué. I am a product specialist at AVEVA Select. So today we're gonna discuss engineering takeaways from AVEVA World. So here is the agenda. So we're gonna discuss the challenges, uh, what's the challenges in in current markets, what is unified engineering. We're gonna provide the business value, and we're gonna discuss some public success stories. Sorry, I'm trying to. Okay, so today we're going to address one of the most critical challenges in modern engineering projects, which are disconnected systems, teams, and project data, and how AVEVA platform provides solution to these challenges. So as it's illustrated here in this PowerPoint slide, typical engineering projects involve numerous stakeholders, each using their own standards, specifications, and data sources. So like you see here, we start from the owner who sets overall data requirements and specifications, information flows to and from the engineering team, which are themselves segmented into specialized disciplines. So adding complexity, external parties such as equipment vendors, package vendors, and engineering partners interacts directly with these teams, and each introducing their own set of specifications and standards. So this scenario further extends downstream to fabricators, constructors, and commission teams. So each of these entities maintain their own separate systems and records, sometimes resulting in isolated data silos and significant challenges. Sorry, uh, significant uh, and each in their own set of specification and standards. So this scenario extends uh, further downstreams to basically ultimate results which are fragmented in inefficiencies and errors. So this is what the results are, and increased project risks and costs. So this is precisely what AVEVA uh, resolves, addresses to Engineering 3.0. So it provides integrated digital solutions and that seamlessly connect stakeholders, unify data source, and foster effective collaborations across all project phases. So in today's complex engineering projects, we often face significant challenges that impact collaborations, efficiency, and transparency. So if we take a closer look here at these challenges, we explore how we can address them effectively. So at the top level of our projects begins with a robust contract strategy and a clear project execution plan. So it includes defining the work breakdown structure for accountability, as well as establishing clear workflows to manage data, information flows, and the critical relationships across all teams. So to central overcoming these challenges is creating shared data environment. So this unified platform ensures that owners, stakeholders, vendors, and third-party partners can seamlessly collaborate and share accurate real-time information. So engineering teams across all disciplines can collaborate effectively, breaking down traditional silos. So further extending this environment, we integrate package and equipment vendors, fabricators, and constructors, and commissioning teams into a single interconnected framework. Auditable history and traceability are maintained alongside standardized digital specifications to ensure consistent quality and compliance. So ultimately, we are driving toward engineering 4.0, connecting systems, teams, projects, data seamlessly to enhance transparency, reduce risk, and accelerate project deliverance. So despite advances in technology, many organizations today still face substantial collaboration challenges. So let's briefly examine some of critical pain points that hinder effective collaboration. First, the reliance on multiple technologies that often leads to incremental costs and performance limitations. So integrating diverse systems can be expensive and problematic, impacting overall productivity and efficiency. Second, significant investments of time and costs are required not only for initial setup, but also for ongoing maintenance. So these tasks typically demand high experienced personnel, which can strain resources and budget. So third, data sharing and collaboration efforts are frequently restricted by IT security requirements and strict data access controls. So the limitations can create barriers, delay communication and decision making across global teams. So lastly, many current systems suffer from brittle configuration, unable to flexibly adapt as project evolves, facility expand, and business requirements mature. This rigidity can significantly impede long-term operational and efficiency. Understanding these challenges is essential to move into a more seamless, secure, and flexible collaboration environment. So what is AVEVA Unified Engineering? So to address the previously discussed collaboration challenges, we introduced this concept of unified engineering through 1D and 2D common functionalities. So let's explore the core aspects of this approach. Common features include interdisciplinary workflow management, robust change management, and comprehensive revisioning capabilities. These features enable teams across different engineering disciplines to collaborate effectively, ensuring changes are well documented and easily traceable. Next, we have the common framework involves a holistic data model that provides a unified view of project information, a clearly defined project breakdown structure, and a comprehensive data dictionary. This framework ensures that all team members are aligned and can constantly access accurate and up-to-date project data. So the common components provide essential tools such as explorers for data navigation, graphic canvases for visualization, and standardized data sheets and detailed engineering lists. So these components enhance productivity by making project information accessible and usable across all disciplines. So expanding further into our 1D, 2D common functionalities, let's delve into the data sheets, lists, and list management features. So data sheets and lists are designed as user-friendly entry views, making data input and management straightforward and intuitive for users across different roles. The platform simplifies interactions with vendors through easy export and import capabilities, streamlining data exchange and collaboration. Additionally, managing multiple cases within projects becomes more efficient and organized. An important feature is the system awareness of unit measures, UNOM, ensuring accuracy and consistency across global teams. So the lists are dynamically updated, data entered once and immediately visible everywhere. Robust revision management capabilities help track changes effectively, ensuring clear accountability and easy historical tracking. So the specialized data sheets as heat and material balance are already available and integrated seamlessly into the interdisciplinary workflows. And finally, the system promotes intelligent object relationship, enhancing data integrity and facilitating clearer communication across project teams. So now let's see unified engineering in action through a real-world project example. So this illustration highlights how AVEVA Unified Engineering seamlessly integrates multiple disciplines, provide a centralized project environment. Teams across different locations collaborate effortlessly, accessing shared real-time data and project deliverable through a unified cloud-based platform. It can achieve significant significant efficiency gains by reducing the time required for engineering reviews and approvals, streamlining workflows, and minimizing rework due to improved data accuracy. So overall, unified engineering empowers organizations to accelerate project timelines, enhance collaboration, and effectively manage complexity. Let's talk about the business value of AVEVA Unified Engineering. So AVEVA Unified Engineering delivers measurable business value across every stage of a capital project. It helps reduce time to value by providing out-of-the-box content and reference projects that simplify configuration, allowing teams to get up and run faster. It also streamlines collaboration by enabling engineers to complete deliverable more efficiently. With greater transparency and maturity in engineering data, teams can deliver on time and within budget by minimizing engineering errors and accelerating project execution. Organizations can reduce costs, risk, and delays. So this combination of speed, efficiency, and quality ultimately drives better business and outcomes. So in the end, we're going to discuss a few success stories. So in this example, AVEVA partnered with Wood to support the development of their innovative connected build strategy for capital projects in the oil and gas sector. So Wood faced several key challenges. They needed to integrate project engineering and execution data into a single platform, build a digital twin strategy that aligned with operations, and shift their approach from traditional CapEx first to a more operation-focused OpEx first mindset. Additionally, they aim to streamline their design and construction management processes to improve efficiency. So to address these needs, Wood adopted AVEVA Unified Engineering along with AVEVA Enterprise Resource Management. So these tools enable the integration of engineering and execution workflows, creating a centralized collaborative environment. The impact was substantial. Project became faster and more cost-effective. They successfully built a world-class digital twin ecosystems and strengthen transparency and ownership across teams, especially with operations. Another compelling example comes for McDermott, a global engineering and construction leader. So McDermott faced key challenges in their operation. They needed a unified data exchange platform to eliminate duplicate work and reduce inefficiencies. Reducing the carbon emissions of their plant was also a critical goal. So in addition to their reliance on multiple standalone engineering tools, it created silos and lacked integration. So it limiting their productivity. To address this issue, McDermott implemented AVEVA suite of engineering and designing tools, so engineering information management systems and simulation capabilities. So this integrated tool set helped them unify processes and drive better collaboration. The results were impressive. They achieved faster and data sharing with clients, significantly streamlined their project handovers, and realized substantial design savings between 10 million and 15 million on project systems. So this success highlights the value of digital transformation through an integrated AVEVA ecosystem.